3-story research indicates this vehicle as loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, iPod adapter, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2013 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, FWD. Come take a test drive today.